needed to document how to get some steps done so that everybody could repeat the same steps. Through some other coworkers, I was introduced to Tango and fell in love with it, started sharing it. So it's becoming our corporate IT documentation tool for all of our different business processes. If it's a tool that someone in IT is supporting, we're working on updating our documentation and storing it within Tango so that we can then link out to it from other applications, other systems, so we can then track who's using our how-to guides. Everybody within Hines IT is on board with standardizing our documentation and having a single source of truth for our documentation and where we can all go and find it and see it. We have Word documents, PDF documents, things on various websites, things inside of Sharewell as knowledge articles. So if you update it in one, we have 3 other versions of it out there. By doing it in Tango, we have a single version that we have to update. And because we're linking to it, it's updated everywhere. So now we have this standardized documentation and we can embed it within our SharePoint sites or other tools so that somebody can get the information they need without having to worry about whether it's the latest version or not. SharePoint can store documents, and that's great, but it can't create the documentation. We have to manually create that documentation in order for it to be stored somewhere. I prefer using Tango if I'm going through an entire business process because it captures the steps for me. It's 90% accurate and it does most of the wording for me as well. I just have to fine tune things. So our consequences for our users, if they don't have the most up-to-date documentation, is screenshots don't match and they're looking at things going, this isn't right. What am I doing wrong? Well, then our help desk team has 3 times as many tickets to answer because somebody was trying to follow the steps, but they didn't match the process. They get frustrated. They can't get their job done. Managers will tend to get frustrated as well because it's just inefficient. Every end user that I've sent a Tango to is in love with it. They're like, this is awesome. Thank you.